Inside Radio Minute.
Welcome to the Inside Radio Minute. I'm your host, Kelly Jenkins. More Americans would prefer to listen to streaming radio on a smartphone than on any other device. That's according to Nielsen, which has been studying web radio habits. It finds that smartphones are most popular among young adults, but all demos except 55 plus treat the phone as a transistor radio. Nielsen data also shows smartphone owners are using more radio apps than a year ago. The original social networking site MySpace is trying to come back from the dead through music and streaming radio. MySpace will offer artist-specific music channels created by users from a catalog of 53 million songs, then shared among members on its desktop website and mobile app. That ability to play DJ and promote music across the MySpace community goes after people who may be tired of Facebook. A $20 million ad campaign is planned to promote MySpace's relaunch. They'll use radio, TV, cable, and digital media. The latest census shows there are now more white Americans dying than being born. At the same time, populations of blacks, Hispanics, and Asians continue to grow. The trend is expected to have implications not just for research companies tracking radio usage, but for what's programmed on the air. Whites are still in the majority, but the browning of America will accelerate in the years to come. That's driven by declining birth rates among whites and more immigrants from Latin and South America and Asia. Other census data shows Hispanics now make up 17% of the U.S. population. The government says more than 11% of the nation's 3,143 countries are now majority-minority, with half the increase in the past year coming in Texas. The nation's median age climbed to 37.4 years in 2012, up just a bit from a year earlier. Most radio stations didn't get anything when Texas Governor Rick Perry ran for president last year, but he's making up for it from his current office. Perry's been conducting a cross-country outreach to encourage businesses to move to Texas, and he's doing it through radio. The latest trip to the Northeast will bring $50,000 in ad buys for stations in New York and Connecticut. Find more news and updates throughout the day at InsideRadio.com and on the new Inside Radio mobile app. Download it now at the App Store. I'm Kelly Jenkins.